Yes, you just clicked on the right video. I'm going to show you how to slow down your video or speed things up in CapCut using curves. Yes, curves. In case you don't know what curves are, today's your lucky day because we learn every day. So stick to the end of this video because in today's video, everyone watching this video would know either you're a beginner, a professional, or at the end of this video, you'll find out. So without further ado, it is time to learn. Without wasting your time, let's get straight to it. Beginner level, how do beginners do it? Very simple. You see on the timeline, we currently have a video of this guy running. As you can see right here, I'm just gonna play it so you can see just a video of a guy running, having a good day. Very simple. So now, how can we make this video slow or fast for beginners? Very simple. You click on it in CapCut, you come to speed right here, and very simple. The default setting is 1.0. If you want it slow, you bring it down to 0.5. As you can see, 0.5, 0.6, 0. Whatever you want. And you can see right now it's running in slow. Very, very good. That's how you get it done. And the opposite, if you want it to move fast, you just take it, let's say 2.0. Remember, the default setting is 1.0. So you want it to move fast. Now it's moving faster. As you can see, 2.0 rather. So let me just give us a quick comparison. For the guys' video, let's just go back to the default and you can see the difference between the two. So this was what we initially had. Let's bring the video now into 2. And now we're going to have this one in slow-mo, very quick, 0.5, 0.4, however you like it. The better the frames of the video, the better the slow-mo is going to be. Then for this one, we're just going to have at speed at 2.0. You can have it as high as you want, depending on the kind of videos you want. So this is basically how beginners do it. Like I said, in this video, we have 3 steps. So you can see it's running in slow-mo, very good, and now it's running fast. So that's how beginners get things done when it comes to slow-mo or fast. So now let's now go down to the professionals. So this is beginner here. Let me add text so you guys can see. So let's just categorize our work for the end of the video. So we have beginners here. So we have beginners. Good. So this is our beginners. This is how they do it. Very simple. Let's hide out this. So yes. So how do professionals do it? So the same video. Let me uncheck this. So the same video now, let's have how professionals do it. Then the third level, which we'll find out which you are. This is how professionals do it. Let's just uncheck this. So this is the actual video we have. Let me stretch out the video. So this is the whole video. So now for professionals, the same guy running, but it's boring. You just want it to be slow, you don't want it to be fast. You want effect, you want life to it. So if you click on this, everything you need to do is basically here in speed. Just click on speed and you can see curves. Professionals use curves, and I'm going to show you now. So I'm going to duplicate this video. Let's just speak from this part. So we're going to have multiple of this. So this is a 4-second video. Good. Okay, no, let's have that 3-second. Okay, good. 3-second video. So let's have a 3-second video in multiple parts. So you can see how professionals do this. I want you guys to see the difference in everything. You know what we're about to do here. So you can see the difference in all these videos. So basically, I have 5 videos here to show you how professionals actually get their speed going. So this is basically freestyling at this point, like you're trying whatever. You can see at the beginning, I already showed you how to make it fast or slow. But now professionals take it to a whole new level. This is called speed ramping. So what you just go to speed and you choose any of the curve. You can custom, I'll skip for later. You just click on montage, as you can see. So this basically just mixes fast and slow. So the first one, see, run, slow. That's the first one. So you have, I'm going to show you how everything works. The second one, basically for speed, you click on hero, runs quick, slow down. You can see it has a very, very nice effect to it. The third one we have, let's try bullets. Yeah, bullets moves very, very quick, like we done. You can see, guys. So professionals, you use this. Beginners, you just use 0.5 or 2.0. Yeah, professionals, you try this. The next one we use bullet. Let's use jump cut. Jump cut is a bit stretched, as you can see. Speeds up, and yeah. So jump cut takes your time. And yeah, let's try this final one, which is flashing. Flashing is very, very simple. It moves fast at the beginning, then towards the end, it resumes back to normal, which is basically just the opposite of flash out. So flash out, it starts slow, it ends fast. Flashing, it starts fast, it ends slow. So basically, this is just the categories for professionals, just to mix things up. Because for beginner level, what we had basically for beginners was just very simple, as you can see here. We just had fast and slow. So this is beginners. Beginners just use fast and slow. That's it. Beginners is just basically fast and slow. That's what they have. For pros, so let's have pros here. So yeah, you're a pro now. You just went from being a beginner to now being a pro. So beginners, that's what they use. Pros, they use this one. And now, the final category, I'll call them the freestylers. You don't use templates. You create themes, because when you start editing videos, you can't keep doing all this templates. You need to create your own templates. So let's go back to our default setting, which is just basically, let's just stick out the curves. You can see in custom. So basically, this gives us the opportunity to actually determine how we want things to go, how fast or how slow we want things to go. So you can either do this here in customs, or basically just come to, custom here. See, so standard, this is all we have. Also, one way I forgot to actually show is, if you want to slow down or fast your video, you can actually do it per time. So let's, for instance, this video, the length of this video is actually 3 seconds. Let's just say I want the video to be done in 1 second. I'm just going to put 1 second, and you can see, the video is done in 1 second. So like, this helps you manage time properly. So let me add some as bonus tip right here. So this is a bonus tip for you guys. So stay with me, don't miss the final one. So this is a bonus tip here. So this is another way you can actually speed or slow down your video. Bonus. So let me do it for the slowdown also. Bonus. So this is a bonus tip right here. So you can see, we just basically work with time on this one, rather than actually having to select whatever. So for this one, we work with 1 second. For this one, we can just, let's have it as I don't know, 6 seconds, which means the video is slower. So you can see it's running slow, and that's how it is. So you can actually speed around or work with speed when it comes to time. The final one, like I said, freestylers, you don't work with templates, like you create your own thing, and let me show you how you get that done. So this is for professionals now. You don't wait to use templates or whatever. So let's go back to our default. You just come into curves and go to custom. So now you determine when everything goes slow and when everything goes fast. And I'm going to show you how that works. It's very, very simple. Don't look scared. Like, it's so easy. If you notice the custom, like, you can see things move around, so you can just easily drag these things around, and you get whatever you want. So now we have this guy right here. He's running. So at this part, I want it to start slow. So I want him to start slow. We're just going to come to speed. And this one, we're just going to drag this down. You can see this right here. We're going to drag this down. So you can see it's basically starting very, very slow. You can see very, very slow. So also I can decide how low I want it to go. You can see the time is changing. So we move this. So yeah, it's going to start slow. Then after that, I come to speed. At this point, I want it to actually move quick. I'm just going to take this up, as you can see, guys. So from slow, fast, slow again, slow, fast, normal. Then at this point, he's right here now. Also, we can also add like new pointers. So I can just add a new one. Spacing is too small. Okay, we need more space. So let's bring this up a bit so we have more flexibility. As you can see. So guys, this is how professionals do it. Freestylers, you just do your own thing. You don't wait for having to use templates. But yeah, templates are nice. So beginners, basically, for beginners, you just come here, speed, just 0.5, 0.4, whatever, and that's it. For professionals, you work with what's it called? The actual curves. And the bonus tip is basically you can just work with time. So this is just a recap of everything. For bonus tip, you can just work with time. Choose the time. Okay, I want a 1 second clip, I want a 6 second clip. Then for the professionals, which is how I work most of the time, I just literally work with custom. I choose how I want it to go. Okay, start slow, moves fast, then moves on more than I can. So if you enjoy watching this video, kindly check out this video right here and have a good one.